Waterfalls are one of the most beautiful and impressive of natural phenomena. Artists have tried to capture them on canvas. Musicians have written inspired music describing the magic of falling water. When most people look at a waterfall, they see its beauty rather than its strength. But the persistent action of running water is also a powerful force of erosion. Most waterfalls form when a stream running over hard rock runs into softer rock. Because it can cut down through the softer rock more rapidly, the waterfall builds an overhanging ledge that gets higher and higher as more of the softer rock is eroded away. Waterfalls can also be formed when the land is raised abruptly by a fault, or when a glacier carves out a valley and then melts away. The streams that flow across the higher ground then fall over the newly created cliffs as spectacular waterfalls. Varied geography and climate of our country has created countless thousands of waterfalls. Yet no matter what their size, each has its own beauty, and each conveys in its own way the quiet strength endowed by nature.